Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So I got my hands on the ad for the parking lot sale coming up here starting on March 2nd. So let's go ahead and kind of take a quick look at it. It looks like this ad's pretty much identical to the leak that happened a couple of weeks ago that I had a video on before, but let's kind of go through it since I have the ad in hand here. And as usual, I apologize if I'm repeating myself with a few of the points that I'm making, but that's kind of more for new viewers that are watching that might not have seen my previous videos. But this is going to be the parking lot sale, which tends to be the best sales that Harbor Freight has, usually even better than their Black Friday sales. With this particular one, it's going to start March 2nd for Inside Track Club members, and then March 6th for everybody else, and it's going to go through March 8th. So, as I always say on these videos, basically, anything in the yellow is pretty much a sale that they have constantly. So usually it's nothing very special. And then the other thing I typically say, any item that we see that is $20 or less for normal price, if it's not at least 30% off, usually I will skip it for the parking lot sale, just because Harbor Freight does a sale of about 30% off of $20 items or less, probably at least once a month or so. But in the yellows, you guys can see here, I'm going to kind of skip through those, but you guys can see what they are right there. And the ones that we're normally pretty excited about are going to be the percent off sales right here. So since the leak, I've been kind of looking at different items that got me excited and things that I will likely be purchasing, assuming that they are included, because sometimes we're not 100% sure what's included within these sales. But let's kind of go through them. So there's going to be two really that are going to be very, I think, popular for most people. It's going to be the 35% off of all Icon and Quinn sockets, and the 25% off of US General carts. Now, the 35% off, right here, it does show a Quinn set on here. So I'm hoping that means that it's also going to include things like the Icon service sets. They have the 1/4 inch and the 3/8. They're a pretty good deal if you get them when they're 35% off. But the Quinn ones are not ones to kind of sleep on. Me personally, I have a lot of the sockets already, but, I don't have a lot of impact sockets. I'm looking at the Icon 1/2 inch impact set that normally retails for $179. I think that one's going to be a great deal. Then also their low profile impact as well. But like I said, all the sockets are going to be on sale. So if you guys are looking for sockets, this is going to be the time to stock up on them. As far as jacks and jack stands, right here we got 30% off of all bottle jacks. I don't really use bottle jacks, to be honest with you. I have the Daytona 3-ton, but this thing is, if you're looking for a bottle jack, not a bad deal. And then same thing, 30% off of all jack stands as well. But then this is the other one right here, the 25% off of all US General carts. I've been kind of waiting for a sale like this because I have been looking at the full bank service cart right here for a little while. It retails for $5.99, so it's going to be about $450, which I think is a steal. So I'm thinking about picking that guy up here on this sale. And then if you guys are looking, the 5-drawer cart, great cart for pretty much anybody. I have one of these in my garage as well, something I'm probably going to give to my son. And, 25% off, not a bad deal either. 20% off of all Atlas and Bauer and Portland outdoor power tools if you guys are looking for something like that. So I haven't seen any changes yet to the leaks based off of what I'm kind of seeing right here. Couple pretty good sales over here. The half off of this Braun light. Great light. I have these things, in almost every room of the house in case power goes out or I just need a flashlight. The battery lasts quite a long time and the head is kind of like articulating in a bunch of different ways, even more so than the Icon. So for $15, I think this thing's a pretty good deal. And then this jack right here, I looked at this one for a little while. I decided to go with the 3-ton instead. But if you're looking for a light jack, this thing is all aluminum. Great jack for the money. Over here, you can kind of see a few other, items. I'm not going to go through every single item, like I said before, just ones that I find kind of notable and ones that I can speak on at least. And then down here, we have, the ones in the yellow again. Nothing too crazy down here. Although I will say this infrared thermometer, great little thermometer. I have this thing in the house usually to test my AC. We've been having some problems with the AC lately, and so this thing is great to see if things are running or not. So let's go to the inside page. Give me 1 second here, and here we go. So we got the inside page now. Up here again in the yellow, nothing too crazy. Although a couple things of note. I really like this multifunction multimeter. I have quite a few of these guys, and it does what it's supposed to. And for $4, $4.29, you're not going to find another multimeter that actually works like this one does. One word of caution is every once in a while you will get a dud. So I suggest if you guys buy these, make sure you test them out immediately, and then, you know, return or exchange them if something is wrong. But I've only gotten one dud out of maybe like 5 or 6, and that could just be me. And then these drill bits, you know, I like to stock up on these guys for my gutter business whenever they go on sale. We definitely go through those. We got a bunch of different, you know, generators over here if you guys are looking for things like that. We got a couple of engines and things like that. Some Hercules corded tools if you guys are looking for that. And then we got this Admiral 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. I mean, when it comes to miter saws, it's hard to beat the Harbor Freight's pricing. You know, when you go look at Home Depot or Lowe's, those things are crazy expensive compared to the Harbor Freight ones. And these ones work just fine for me. Over here, we got, you know, a bunch of, again, corded Bauer tools if you guys are looking for that. And then they are going to have that special when you buy the starter kit for $99, you're going to get a free tool. Bauer, great line. Again, I use it for my business and haven't really had any problems, you know, whatsoever. These things have been, you know, I can't speak to the full longevity of them, but I can just say for at least, you know, I've been using these guys for probably the last 6 months or so, nonstop, and not one has failed me. And I have, you know, at least 3 different sets of these guys, you know, at the shop. Down here again in the yellow, nothing too crazy or to write home about. Let's go to the other inside page, and again, I haven't really seen anything that differs from the leak yet. So up here in the yellow, if you guys want to check that out. But then there are going to be a couple of decent deals here when it comes to the jacks. You know, the Daytona I have, this is the one that I have right here in green, obviously. I got this thing back when it was $99, so I think that's a good deal, and this thing can probably go down a little bit more. Looks like they just, raised the pricing on this thing. I think this thing was $179, and it would drop down to $99, and now it's $199. So, you know, maybe this is going to be the new low price right here. And usually, I did have one of my commenters below kind of mention that these circles, the red circles that you kind of don't see anywhere else, usually that denotes a new low price on that. So something to consider. Couple of other jacks right here, but then this is the one that I honestly think is a really good deal. I had this guy for a little while before I switched over to the Daytona. Again, I can't tell the difference between the two, and if this one came in green, I probably would have kept it. Again, it's probably a stupid reason to upgrade, but you know, if you guys are looking for a jack, you like that slate gray, which is a nice color, $89, great deal as well. And then we got down here a few of their, the U.S. General roll cabs. Now, this one, unfortunately, you know, they usually will go on sale for a little bit more. I don't think this pricing is that great, to be honest with you. But these things I will usually buy. You know, like I bought my my roll cab and top chest and things like that. Usually when they're having like the 20 or 25% off of one item, or 20% off of, you know, all U.S. General storage, things like that. And they just had that deal not too long ago as well. Got a couple of chargers as well over here. I'm sorry, this is a charger with an air compressor and then just a jump starter right there. And then moving on down, you know, liquidation sale. They have these pretty much every parking lot sale when they're trying to kind of move, you know, all of their as is, open box, clearance, things like that. And then down here, you know, we do have a few items. This extractor set, great extractor set if you guys are looking for it. You know, very similar to the Snap-on one. I wouldn't say it's Snap-on quality, but for the price, you know, where you're going to be paying, you know, way more for the Snap-on one, not a bad extractor set to have right there. And especially at 28% off, pretty good deal when you have it, you know, starting at $70. And then same thing for the Master Brake Caliper set if you guys are looking for that. And then a couple more deals over here, as you guys can see. And then the yellow ones, as I've mentioned before. And now let's go to the last page here. Sorry for the noise. Give me 1 second here. Again, up here, nothing too crazy. And then we have a bunch of, you know, kind of welders, welding accessories, stuff like that. Air compressors, if you guys still use air compressors. The Earthquake, which I hear is a pretty solid piece. And then we have some more kind of air tools down here. Brad nailer, some reels for your, you know, air hoses, things like that. You have these protective cases if you guys are looking for something like that. Some utility carts. These ladders, great ladders. I have a couple for my business. Work really well. Use these things every single day. And I know they just came out with the 22-foot one as well that I will be looking at getting here when it goes on sale. And then last up, kind of going on down again, the yellow denotes just basic sales to me. Although I will say, whenever these hammers go on sale, I do usually pick up a few of them. I've had tons of these hammers. I've not had one fail on me, and I just keep buying them for different reasons. And you know, a hammer's a hammer, and $4 can't beat that, especially with a lifetime warranty. So let's kind of go back to the very front, because again, this I think is where you're going to have your best deals, is going to be kind of in these % off deals. And I think these two are going to be the ones that are going to sell out the quickest. One note to make on the carts and things like that: most Harbor Freights don't have all the carts in stock. So when you go in, usually it's going to be a pre-order item. So usually you don't have to worry about these things selling out. So you can go in and, you know, order them, and then usually it's about a week or two and they'll get it in stock and call you and come pick it up. So I wouldn't stress too much about those, at least. However, this sale right here, I do think a few of the items will sell out pretty quickly. And, you know, from what I've seen in the past, it's usually the service sets from Icon, especially if it's going to be included in the sale, the 1/4 inch and the 3/8. Those ones I think are going to probably go the quickest, followed by the Quinn sets, which I think the Quinn sets, great deal, great quality for what you're getting. And like I said, personally, you know, I already have most of the Icon stuff that I need, but I do need some Quinn impact sockets as well. You know, actually leave in the comments below, have you guys tried the Quinn and the Icon impact sockets? Which ones do you like? I know I saw a video not too long ago from Tools and Twisties, which is a great channel, where he was kind of comparing the two, and I think the Quinn looks like it was a better option than the Icon, because they are actually a thinner wall, even though the Icon advertises it as such, and they're not really. So again, tell me, what do you guys think? Are you guys gonna, you know, does this get you excited to where you're gonna line up at 8 a.m. in front of your local Harbor Freight, or is this going to be a sale that you're going to skip? If this is a sale that you guys are going to go to, you know, leave in the comments below, what are you guys planning on buying when the sale starts? So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.